What's up, you guys? I'm so happy that you're back to watch another video. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful Mauve autumn look. Since we are in autumn, it feels like winter honestly, but it's autumn, so let us get into the video. So as you can see, anyways, I'm trying to get comfortable. I'm going to be using my Connie Transform palette. So this is a South African brand. So Connie Transform is on Instagram. You guys have seen me use this palette. I just haven't touched it in a minute. So we are gonna start off with this one. So this shade is called Ebony. And I love that it has a compact mirror inside, so I don't have to work too hard. So I've already put concealer in the crease, all over the eyes actually. I'm just gonna pat that down. I use precisely my brow pencil from Benefit for my eyes. I mean, that's honestly the only pencil I'm using, guys. I say coin, but let's just go into the crease. So this is very pigmented, so you wanna just start off with a little bit, and then you gradually apply more if you want. You can see I put a lot on my brush, so I'm just gonna put it over the whole eye. The reason I'm starting with my eyeshadow is because this eyeshadow has a lot of fallout. So cleaning up is going to be a lot. So rather start with my eyes and then I'll follow with the foundation. Honestly, we're just going to use two colors. I don't want this to be a very complicated eye look. But you see, I just put one swipe and I am still blending this in. That's how pigmented it is. But anyways, guys, ninjani, how's the lockdown going? I'm still working during the week, so nje. Digena or 9, dichasa 5. And then at least I get to enjoy the rest of my evening. On the weekends, I like to sleep in a bit because the girl is tired. Because I already wake up early during the week, so yeah. But I'm enjoying my weekends in. I mean, I am a homebody already. I do like to go out, but I do love to stay at home, so it doesn't really bother me too much. It's only been a week, so I don't know, we'll see. A week and a few days, we'll see by the end of 3 weeks. I'll probably want to get the hell out of here. Okay, and then the last color we're going to use is Easter. So I'm going to try pack it without concealing my eyelids. Let's see if it'll pop. Okay, yeah, vela no kakufan. Let's just really pack it onto the brush and then pat on the eye so that the color shows nicely. I'm going to be using my favorite lashes, which is the Pinky Goat, and this is in the style Lulu. And there they are, as you can see. These have been my go-to lashes. Y'all know I don't like to use new lashes. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I am in the shade Toffee Pecan. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. To set the concealer, I'm using the Face Studio Setting Powder from Maybelline. Guys, can I tell you a story about this concealer? So I had used it for the first time, and this was on my birthday last year, and I didn't test it for flashback. Did I not have flashback photography when I looked back at those pictures? Oh my word, I was so upset. So moral of the story is, don't use new products for special occasions, eh? I'm looking like a ghost. Shoo. To add some color back to my face, I'm going to take this dark mineralized skin finish powder from MAC. Just enjoy, wow, for something. I am looking so pale right now. But we're gonna bronze it up, contour everything, blush it up so I'll look a bit better. Contour, I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette and take this shade, which is Christy, and use that. So eyeshadow palettes can act as a contour. For blush, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. palette. So this is broken. Let me try to show you guys. But I'm going to use this color right here. Don't want to tilt it too much because it's all take. Now for the highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick, and this is in Dark Gold 300. I like to put this on my beauty blender and then on my face, because if I put it directly sometimes it just doesn't look cute, and this gives it more of a natural feel. So that soft, subtle highlighter. Lastly, for the lips, I'm using my Connie Transform Lippy, and this is in the shade Contour. Lastly, setting spray, of course my fave, the Lasting Fix by Maybelline. Shake it real good. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. This look is very dramatic, I must say. I'm also just like, maybe should I have gone for like a lighter color? I don't know. But this lip is popping, okay? I love the drama. It's autumn. We're doing these really dark vampy looks, but also maybe a bit light, so the oranges and the browns. So I'll give you a variety, but honestly I'm happy with this look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Candice Rosanna. Thank you so much for subscribing. We love you. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the red button down there. It says subscribe. It is free of charge. I swear you don't have to pay a monthly subscription fee, nothing of that sort. Click the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And in this month I'm posting like twice a week because we are chill, quarantine and chill. I'm gonna give you some quarantine and chill content. That's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys are ready. Hope you have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves while you are at home, and may your day be ever flawless as your makeup.